बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सारे खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जोग्राफिकल असेवन जो कि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक का नया कोर्स है, इसके चैप्टर नंबर 1 की आज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो किताब में दिए गए हैं, और फिर उसके बाद एडिशनल यानी इजाफी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। Question number 1. Define the term plain. Answer. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. It is one of the major landforms and covers a large part of the Earth's surface. Question number 2. What are plateaus? Answer. Plateaus are flat lands that are raised significantly above the ground level. Question 3. Write the three features of Middle Course River. Answer. Middle Course River are U-shaped valleys, meanders, and oxbow lakes. Question 4. Define the term valley. Answer. A valley is a deep depression between mountains or hills, usually formed by flowing water. Question number 5. Write the formation of food plain. तो इसका आंसर है आंसर flood plains are formed when a river overflows its banks and spreads over nearby land. During flooding, it deposits sediments, making the land smooth and fertile. अच्छा, अब है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट आर द फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ प्लेन्स? डिस्क्राइब। आंसर. फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ प्लेन्स. Plains are vast stretches of flat land. Some plains are extremely level, while others may be slightly rolling or undulating. Plains are usually fertile regions. They are thickly populated due to suitable living conditions. It is easy to build houses, roads, and cities on plains. Plains are suitable for cultivation and agriculture. Question 2. Explain some major types of plains. Answer. Major types of plains. Number 1. Erosional plains, formed over millions of years by erosion caused by rivers, glaciers, and wind. Number 2. Depositional plains, formed by deposition of sediments brought by rivers, glaciers, and wind. These plains are fertile and important for agriculture. River plains, formed by rivers over a long period, include alluvial plains formed by river deposits, food plains formed during floods when sediments are spread. Number 4, glacial plains formed by materials deposited by glaciers. Number 5, lacustrine plains formed in areas where lakes once existed. Number 6, coastal plains found along sea coasts, flat and low lying. Number 7, wind plains formed by wind action in desert where sand is deposited. अच्छा, अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. डिफरेंशिएट प्लेन्स फ्रॉम प्लेटूज, माउंटेन्स एंड वैली. आंसर. Plains are flat, low-lying land suitable for agriculture and settlements, while plateaus are elevated, flat lands higher than surrounding areas. Mountains are high landforms with steep slopes and peaks, while valleys are low areas between mountains, often formed by river. Question 4. Describe the features formed by river. Answer. Features formed by rivers. Floodplains. Formed when rivers overflow and deposit sediments. Oxbow lakes. Created when a river cuts through a meander, forming a lake. Meanders. Curves or bends formed in the river's course due to uneven flow. Natural levees. Raised banks formed by deposition of sediments during floods. Distributaries. Smaller streams branching out from the main river near the sea. Question 5. What is a river system? Explain. Answer. A river system is made up of a main river and its tributaries. Tributaries are smaller streams that join the main river. Together they form a network called a river system. The area drained by this system is called a river basin. Question 6. Compare the middle course of river with lower course of river. Answer. The middle course of river with lower course of river is compared as below. Middle course. U-shaped valleys, meanders, oxbow lakes, both erosion and deposition occur. Lower course. अच्छा तो लोअर कोर्स वाइड फ्लैट bottomed valleys, estuary deltas, deposition is a dominant, river slows down and spreads sediments. अच्छा अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Explore the importance of rivers in the economy of a country. Answer. Importance of river in economy. Help to generate hydroelectric power, increase oil fertility, provide water for irrigation, support tourism activities, supply water for domestic use, provide livelihood to fishermen. अच्छा अब है critical thinking questions जो किताब में दिए गए हैं. क्वेश्चन 1. द रिलीफ ऑफ पाकिस्तान डिस्प्लेस ए ग्रेट फिजिकल वेरिएशन. एक्सप्लेन हाउ. आंसर. Pakistan has mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, and coastal areas. This variety of landforms shows great physical variation in its relief. Question 2. Why are river plains thickly populated? तो इसका आंसर है river plains are fertile, have water availability, and are suitable for agriculture, transport, and settlement. So many people live there. Question 3. How do dams affect the river and its environment? Answer. Dams control water flow, help in irrigation and electricity generation, but may disturb natural flow, aquatic life, and sediment movement. Question 4. Why do deltas attract people? Answer. Deltas have fertile soil, abundant water, and good conditions for farming and fishing, so they attract settlements. अब है एडिशनल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What are grasslands? Answer. Grasslands are regions where grasses are the dominant vegetation. Question 2. What are steppes? Answer. Steppes are temperate grasslands found in Asia and Eastern Europe. Question 3. What is tundra? Answer. Tundra is a type of plain found in the Arctic where the ground remains frozen. Question 4. What is an alluvial plain? Answer. An alluvial plain is formed by the deposition of sediments carried by rivers over time. Question 5. What are meanders? Answer. Meanders are bends or curves in a river formed due to irregular flow. Question 6. What are natural levees? Answer. Natural levees are raised banks formed by the deposition of sediments during floods. Question 7. What are distributaries? Answer. Distributaries are smaller streams that branch out from the main river near its mouth. Question 8. What is an estuary? Answer. An estuary is the wide mouth of a river where it meets the sea. Question 9. What is delta plain? Answer. A delta plain is formed by the deposition of sediments at the mouth of a river. Question 10. What is the main function of the upper course of a river? Answer. The main function of the upper course of a river is erosion of the river bed and banks. अच्छा अब है एडिशनल यानी इजाफी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन विद आंसर. क्वेश्चन 1. डिस्क्राइब द अपर कोर्स ऑफ ए रिवर. आंसर. अपर कोर्स ऑफ ए रिवर. It is the beginning stage of a river near its source. The river flows rapidly due to steep slopes. अच्छा. The main process is erosion. Landforms formed include V-shaped valleys, waterfalls, rapids, or gorges. Question 2. Explain the lower course of a river. Answer. Lower course of a river. It is the final stage of a river near its mouth. The river flows slowly on flat land. Deposition is the main process. Features formed include wide flat bottomed valleys, deltas, estuaries. Question 3. Describe the formation of oxbow lakes. Answer. Formation of oxbow lakes. A river forms bends called meanders. Due to erosion and deposition, the bends become more curved. Eventually, the river cuts through the narrow neck. The old bend is cut off and forms an oxbow lake. Question 4. Explain the formation of natural levees. Answer. Formation of natural levees. During flooding, rivers overflow their banks. Heavier sediments are deposited near the banks. Over time, these deposits build up and form raised edges called levees. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Describe coastal plains. Answer. Coastal plains. These are flat, low-lying lands along the sea coast. They are formed by deposition of sediments. They are suitable for settlement and agriculture. Question 6. Explain wind plains. Answer. Wind plains formed by wind action in desert regions. Winds erode and deposit sand. Over time, deserts become flat plains with little vegetation. Question 7. Describe the importance of rivers in biodiversity. Importance of rivers in biodiversity. Answer. Rivers provide habitat for many animals and plants. Fish, amphibians, birds, and insects live in or near rivers. Many plants grow along river banks. Animals depend on rivers for food and water. Rivers help connect different habitats. Question 8. Differentiate between erosional plains and depositional plains. Answer. The difference between erosional plains and depositional plains is below. Erosional plains formed by erosion of land uh, caused by rivers, wind, and glacier. Depositional plains formed by deposition of sediments created by rivers, glaciers, and wind. Usually more fertile than erosional plains. तो ये थे डियर स्टूडेंट्स चैप्टर नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ, तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप लोग मुझे वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं अगर आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए। लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों ने एक काम करना होगा, यानी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा। फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दूंगा। तो जाते जाते आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करना है, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। तो उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।